let's learn again. Let's what do we call that? This one, let's uh change our pin number with the temporary pin number that we got from the support team. Remember, if we have an issue, if we happen to forget our pin, we could always uh, ask the help of the support team. We can raise a ticket to have the temporary pin, and then we could always change our pin. So I will walk you through on how we could change our pin using the temporary pin that the support ticket the support team, I mean, that gave us. So yeah, for now I would need to share my screen. Let's share it. I will share my screen. I would click the share button and then screen, start broadcast, and then I will swipe up my screen and then do it one more time, and then now I believe you can see my screen. Let's go. Let's log in into our account this time. Yeah, I log in before I share my screen. So this is my account. So yeah, I will show you first the support team response to my concern the following day. So yeah, let's check it and get the temporary pin in there. Let's click the support ticket button, and then here is their answer. It says here pin number was the concern, and we can just click the view, but for now I won't click the view. So I would protect the temporary pin that they gave us. So yeah, just to let you know, you need to click the view so you could get the temporary pin. And then after getting the temporary pin, we need to click the person. We need to click the person on the right top side of the screen, and then we're gonna scroll our. Oh, it's here already. Change pin, and then we need to click the change pin button, and then we need to key in the temporary pin that they gave us. So yeah, I am not sure if I did the right one. Yeah, I think so. And before getting a code, I would recommend that we need to key in the new pin first, so it would be easier later. So let's key in the new pin. And then confirm the pin. And then let's get the code. Click the get code button. And then yeah, let's get it from our email. Yes, for now. Let's share my screen again. Yeah, the timer runs out of time, so we need to get the code again. Just click the get code button again. And then, yeah, and then let's try to get the code. Okay. Just wait for the code. And then, I think it went through. Let's, yeah, yeah, it went through, guys. Okay, I think that's all. And then let's try to change our. Uh, let's go to home and let's try to activate our account. Okay, let's click the activation button and then let's key in our PIN. No, it doesn't work.